All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. If you're looking for the slimmest case you could possibly find, look no further. This is a super slim case from TAC. So this is their standard case 4.0. It is 0.7 millimeters in thickness for the design. The weight is only 13 grams to 15 grams, depending on the model that you have. It's upgraded durable plastic on this model here from the previous generation. The cutouts are going to be precise for the camera modules. And I think you're probably going to notice that this is almost not there. It's incredible. I've been testing it. I've been using it. But I got to tell you, this is a case for a person who probably just doesn't want to use a case. You can use a 10% discount code down in the link in the description with the code JW10. So let's go ahead and put this case on here and I'll show it to you. This is their packaging and their presentation. You get a nice setup here, so you can pause this, you can scan the QR code, you can get instructions on how to do it. Easy installation. I'll demo that for you in this video, but let's get the case out. Here it is. You have the option to buy the MagSafe rings here. And we're going to go ahead and put them on in this video. Also, you can follow them here at TAC, and you can go to buytac.com to pick up anything, not just these cases for this phone, but they've got a whole bunch of other phones there. So it's recommended that you go ahead and put the case on, and this ring is going to go on the outside of the case. That way you don't have to put it on your phone. So before we do all that though, let's take a look at the case itself. Now, obviously this is an ultra slim, ultra thin case, so it is going to work with wireless charging, and I'll demo that as well. Along with a couple of MagSafe items if I have some laying around. I'm pretty sure I do. But here's the precise cutout for the cameras, folks. This camera module is just like some other OEMs where they give a precise cutout right around each module, which this is what I prefer when using a case, because if I am going to use a case, I want the full protection to at least cover the items that are needing to be covered. So you can see here it has a special cutout for the camera button, for that special new camera button that we have. Your power button, your action button, and your volume rocker are all there, and all ports are going to line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here. You can see how I just put that on. It's very simple, folks. It's not going to take you very long to figure out how to put this on. So let's kind of get it cleaned up here. And even if you don't have a tempered glass, it's going to be a smidgen of protection for you on the front. I mean, not much at all, folks. Don't buy this thinking you're getting full-on OtterBox protection, but you are getting some, and should save you from some scrapes and bumps and bruises. So putting on the MagSafe ring here, we can just lay it flat like this, and then it's going to go on like that. So you can see how it automatically knows where to go. This is your MagSafe ring here. So before I put that on here, I just want to show you here. This is a MagSafe item. That is the MagSafe area right there. So with this case here, it's recommended that you put it on like this. You want scan the QR code. It'll tell you how to do it. But this right here is going to go on the back of the case right here, not on your phone. So be sure to do that, because when you put the MagSafe on, it's going to need to go on. It's going to grasp as much as possible. You see how, oh, that's strong. That's going to be really strong. So put it on like this. It'll lock into place with the MagSafe, and pretty much you should just try to center it on the Apple logo. But folks, this is 3M, so once you do it, it's on. It's on, like they say. So make sure that you're getting it pretty much centered, and it's already kind of pulling itself to the actual MagSafe area, and it's on there. And then now, look at how tight it is, and let's go ahead and turn it on, and it's charging. There you go. So, oh man, that is a strong MagSafe magnet on there. So this is what the case will look like if you decide to go ahead and use MagSafe on there. But if you don't decide to use MagSafe and you don't buy one of these rings, I mean, if you have an iPhone, you should, and you have a MagSafe iPhone, I would just go ahead and do it. It's only a couple bucks more, and you can have a complete setup. So your power button here, your cutout for your camera there, the module, and then your cutout here, and then your cutout here. Pretty solid. And there you have it. I'll leave a link in the description for you to grab yours, and be sure to use that code JW10 so you can get 10% off. It's a no-brainer. It's your man Jay, and thank you for TAC for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.